Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I am the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. We can all improve our ability to influence, and often we are confronted with some challenges to be able to be more effective. Let's listen to some of the challenges that have identified some of the participants to my influencing workshop.
The challenge is stepping out of your preferences and comfort zone and target the person as they like it.
For me, my challenge is to find out what is the interest of the other party, to listen to the other party and to prepare or to be able to give something to exchange. Definitely the role plays. Because they are very close to the real situation in the professional life, and after a few minutes, if you do it seriously, you just forget that it's a role play.
Clearly, I enjoyed very well the videos, the role plays, the role games that we did with the fellow students. But what is probably the most important is the discussions in the room. Everybody has his background, everybody has his way of thinking, has his or her motivations. So I really liked the interaction between the team.